Hello all, welcome back to our new section. So in today's section, let's start within 1 minute. Let's start sharp at 9 o'clock. Okay, so now it's 9 o'clock and let's start our section. So today we will be making animations with coding and AI. So our today's topic will be making animations with coding and AI. So we will be making many animations by typing only some simple codes to animations. Okay, so codes to animation, and also it's a AI powered program. So that's there will be less number of errors. If you do any error also, it can correct up to maximum 5 errors. If you have 5 errors, automatically it can correct maximum 5 errors. Okay, so when you are typing the code for creating animation, it can correct maximum 5 errors. So we will be using just small codes of the small platforms like Python that I have taught on the last day, and today we will be learning about that. And also we will be using two AI platforms help. And so first of all, for creating an animation with the coding, so for creating an animation with coding, you need a perfect script. Your first thing is perfect script. If there is a perfect script only, you can get it correctly. So that's at the last Friday I have taught you about AI platform. Inside that AI platform, it will write many things to us. So that's we will be using that platform's help also. That link is poe.com/sage. So that also we will be using here. And the next one is we will be using another platform, the platform which we will be using for converting our codes, for converting our codes to animations is, so I will give its link on your chats. It's a platform called Steve AI, and it can correct up to 5 coding errors. So if you have any errors in code, it can also correct it. Okay, so it's this link. I will now post it on your chat. Now I have posted it in your chat. So now let's start. For that, you want to first open this platform, and when you are opening this platform, you will be getting a window to sign up, and you want to sign in with your mail ID. Okay, so how to use this post page? I have told on the last Friday's class. Its recorded class is available on your portal. If you need, you can go there and watch its recorded class. Okay, so if you doesn't know how to use this, so today I will be not explaining about this sage because I have already explained it before. So today we will be converting our codes to animation. So here we can see many options. So it's all AI powered options. And the first one is text to video, text to animation, not text, it's codes to animation, block to animation, block to video, audio to video, tweet to video, and PowerPoint to video, page URL to video, page URL to animation, and many things are available here. So now, for converting your codes to animations with the help of AI, first you need script. So if you have a good script, you can use that script. So if you does not have a script, you can use this the help of this Sage. So you want to write him that write me. You want to write in a coding language to write me a good script for a moral animation. So it will be writing you the script. So you want to give the instructions in a coding platform. So now it has been giving you a script. This script given by him is free to use and it's copyright free. Okay, so now we will be using this script for making that. So if you have a good script, you can convert it to that. Surely you can convert. So now just press on text to animation, and when you're pointing the cursor on that, you can see here a start button. Just press on that start button. When you are pressing on that start button, a page like this will be loaded. Its logo will be like this. Okay, so at here you can see a type of video you can put. You can put it horizontal or anything. Category you can type which category it's. If you give the correct category, it will be more good. Okay, so I'm giving a moral animation, and the tip is resume tips. So just press on create sample. So here there will be already a sample there. So don't go for it. Now just press on clear all. So that we want to type the scene one. We need to get the scene one. Okay. Give me let's see separate. You want to give instructions called separate this instruction to five to five scenes. So we want to give here that it want to be separated to five scene. Okay, five scene. So they will be separating it. Okay, so here we have got the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So now you will be using this. So if you have a script also, if you did not have its scenes, you can do like this. It will separate. So how to use this? There is a recorded classes tab at your portal. You can go there. If you have any doubts about portal, you can contact Himanshu sir. He is the helper of the portal. So here the first scene is not the second scene at all. So at line by line we want to copy. His so that it will be converted to. So every line it's a scene at here. So just now I recommend to copy this. Okay, like this. Just scroll down. Now right click copy. Now just paste it here. So the scenes all have been created here. So now there will be the duration, estimated video duration we can see here. 3 minutes 32 seconds. Okay. So here if we need music, there will be music. If there is add voice over, there will be automatically voice added. Asian, US or British, which style you need that you can give. Here male or female voice. Voice here a child or everyone's voice, and here Joy and Kevin. The child's voice is paid. So if you need, you can use only one option. Now you want to press on generate voice. So it will be generated. So now just press on next. So we need not need music. So just remove that. What is your video about? So it's about kindness. So we can give that. Now just press on next. So after pressing next, here you can see that many templates. So which templates you need, take that template. So when you are taking that template, the scenes will be loaded, and I will now show you the animation which we have created with the coding. So it's similar, the last classes we have learned its codes. Now here this will be our workspace. So this workspace, there will be the things which has been created here. So now let's just download and play. Okay, press on download. When you are pressing on the download button, the animation will be ready. So there will be watermarks. When you are pressing on that, it will be surely downloaded after some times. Okay. So now let's see our animation.
Named Timmy walking down the street. He is carrying a heavy backpack and looks exhausted.
So see, now it's ready. It's coming. So it will be loaded like that type of way. So it will be coming like this. So like this. Now let's see this. When it's loading, here the export will be here, and here we can see our preview. So see our animation which is created with our codings. It will take some time to load. So till then, any doubts please say. Okay, so it has been tamed. So now let's see our animation.
We see a young boy named Timmy walking down the street. He is carrying a heavy backpack and looks exhausted. Suddenly, he trips and falls, spilling his books and papers all over the ground. Timmy, frustrated, ugh, why does everything have to be so hard? Just then, a group of kids walks by and laughs at Timmy. Kid 1. Look at him, he can't even walk straight. Kid 2. What a loser. Timmy looks down, feeling embarrassed and ashamed. Suddenly, a hand reaches down and helps him up. It's an older woman named Mrs. Jenkins. Mrs. Jenkins, are you okay, dear? Timmy, surprised, yes, thank you. Mrs. Jenkins, let me help you with your books. Mrs. Jenkins picks up Timmy's books and helps him put them back in his backpack. Mrs. Jenkins, you know, kindness can go a long way. It's important to always treat others with respect and compassion. Timmy, nodding, I'll remember that. Mrs. Jenkins smiles and continues on her way. As Timmy walks home, he thinks about what Mrs. Jenkins said. He realizes that he has been unkind to others in the past and decides to make a change. The next day at school, Timmy sees a new student sitting alone at lunch. He decides to go over and introduce himself. Timmy, hi, my name is Timmy. What's yours? New student, surprised, hi, I'm Alex. Timmy, smiling, do you want to sit with me and my friends? New student, grinning, yeah, that would be great. Timmy and Alex become fast friends, and Timmy starts to see the world in a different way. He realizes that small acts of kindness can have a big impact on others. Fade out.
See this? Now you can see that with just the help of three lines and the help of 3 lines and with the help of AI we have created a best cartoon. So by this way, you can use it. So I have heard that you are going to attend the Facebook exams also. So you can, if there is any question like last, like make an animation with AI and codes, you can use this and it will save your time surely. If you use some AI codes, it will be saving your time. So when we will be using normal codes, when we are using some other normal codes, it will take more than if we are typing 25 lines of code. No, we need to make a snake game. Okay, so at here, if we want to make a snake game, so I want to type when so one person completed it with 5 lines and the other person completed that game with the 25 lines. But the person which have completed the 5 lines take 10 minutes, and the person which have completed 25 lines have take 27 minutes. So from here, the first person, so this game is have high graphics, and this game have low average graphics. Now this same game has more features, and this game like normal. This game does not stuck. This game majority time stucks. So now you all think that. So now you all just tell me on the chat that who has created the best game. So this is a person one. This is the person one, and this is the person two. Okay, so majority have said that the person one has created the best game, because we can see that this the person which has created with the 5 lines have got high graphics, more feature doesn't stuck. But the person who write 25 lines will take 27 minutes, but it have average graphics and like normal majority time stacks. So from this you can understand that lines of codes are not the matter. Okay, so the content of that codes have value. So someone will say that they have wrote 2000 lines of code, and when we are trying that game, very bad game forever. So that's but someone have just write 5 lines of code and they have got big more functions. So that's if we use more AI functions, we can use like this type of, we can complete it within seconds. It's not the matter that no, in any of the coding exams it will not check for the lines, how much lines you have wrote there. It will check for only the content. Okay, so now majority coding exams has been evaluated by AI. Okay, so that's the first person have created with the AI codes, and the second person here has created with the normal codes. Okay, so that's when you are using some AI codes, it will be some difficult that when we got one error, it will go error, but it will be more good if we use AI codes than normal codes. I always prefer to use AI codes. Okay. So now, when making the codes like this, here there are many functions like SD, many MP4, MP3, and everything. So we can change the script or change the theme. If you need a other theme, let's use our theme. See, we have more themes. Okay. So at any theme, you can write. So now next is creating an advertisement with coding. So the next topic which we are going to learn is creating an advertisement with coding. So for creating that, just open this website from beginning onwards. Once again. Just close that and now just take it. So when you are using that option and when you press on the download button, it will be automatically downloaded. Okay. So now I will show. See, so at here, like the same way which we have used before, we can use. So today our class will be till 9:45. Okay. So at every Fridays, doubt clearing sections, as I have mentioned in last classes. And if somebody hasn't remembered at every class, I am saying for your reminding. Okay. So at here there is many ideas like live animation, blog, voice, social media. So it's all has been grouped into many options. Okay. So now let's start with creating an advertisement with coding. So it will also been asked in micro when I have written the Microsoft coding exams. They has been asked me for writing uh, for creating an advertisement with advertisement animation with codes. So there will be like that type of question when you attend that Facebook exam also. So it's tomorrow, I know that. So this class will be giving you some more tips also. I will attend, I will give you some more tips. Okay, so now let's start. So at here you want to use the category called advertisement. And at down we can use many types like in which advertisement like chief portfolio, cyber Monday sale, developer resume, like everything. So restaurant flow, website launch. So I am going to give a advertisement in my website. So just create the sample, press on that. So and like this there will be things. So at here there will be automatically created some website templates. Okay. So we need to just edit it with that. Okay. So like this, if you need music, if you need voiceover, if you need auto highlight, which option you need, just choose that and just press on next. So at here you can use your own designs. There are many types of varieties of designs. So you can use any of the template. So don't forget to give these instructions in the codes. Okay, so now it has been created. Now let's see this. It's created with music, not allowed any background things. So I just reloading that last page. So when we are coming to the script, it can create videos in English, French, Japanese, and languages from adding voiceover. So voice, any voice you can add in any language, English, German, Portuguese, and many languages is there. And ancient, it's Indian, and we can use any structure and the voice here. Now we generate. So when we are creating now, you can see our thing. So here we have created with the template. We need to edit it. So now for editing, just go back. So now visit, we can give any links like www.com and anything. So for creating that with coding. Okay. So now just press on next and just choose your template. So after that it will be loaded like this. So it's coming. Okay, now let's see this. I will play. Okay, so it's coming.
It's a new day. And we are a step closer to you. Check out our new website. Yes, we are online. Smile. Make sure you check us out. We have special offers and discounts for the first 1000 signups. Visit www.com now.
So here you can see that we have been created like that type of things. So here if we need any changes, you can just change it. Okay, change the scenes, template, or change the layout. We can change it. See, many types of layout are there. Okay, so after that, just press on download button. So it will be downloaded. So now next, now it's 31 and till 45 I will be saying about the tips. Okay, so when you are writing the Microsoft exam, make sure. So next I will say about the Facebook exam. Facebook coding exam. Okay, so the first thing you need to remember is to use AI codes. So today till 9:45 I will be teaching you about the I will be giving you the tips to Microsoft coding exams. As you all know that at every Fridays there will be class till 9:45. So we will be I am recommending to use AI codes. So if you have any doubt about AI codes, you can ask me now in chat. Okay, use AI codes. So if there is option to attend from end, attend from last question, then first attend last question. So because if there is a option to scroll down and attend the last question, then first you want to write the last question. Like if there is 100 questions, first 100th question, then 99, then 98, like that type of platforms. Like that type you want to use, because in majority sites the 1 to 10 to the 1 to 50th question will be carrying only 2 or 3 marks, but the questions 2 or 3 marks, 5 or 4 marks, but the questions which is 90 to 100. So the 90 to 90, the 90 to 100 questions will be having more marks. It will be majority about writing programs. You will get 20 or 5. You will get more marks when you write that. So there is limited time for the examination. So if you miss one or two questions from the beginning sections, it will be not a big loss in your marks. But if you doesn't have the time and if you lost the last two questions, it will be a big loss. That you will lose many 10 to 20, 30, 40 marks at one time. Okay. So at AI, many have some more doubts. I will be solving it now. So for AI coding. So here we need to use a platform. So inside that the platforms will be available. So when writing the in that Facebook exam platform, there will be an option to add platform. So if you